My name is Armando Aguilar. I went through the San Jose State expungement program. I started using drugs and got involved with gangs around the age of 12. Became pretty active over the next couple of years to the point where I started selling drugs around the age of 14. Over the years it was just a lot of chaotic drug use, gang activity, a lot of self-destructive behavior. I mean, I had no respect for the system at that point, so everything else was just kind of downhill. Because of that, you know, I continued to go back and forth to jail. I now currently have been working for the last 5 years as a alcohol and drug counselor for the county. I actually had an opportunity to start working with a pilot adolescent program that dealt with the high-risk youth as well as the mental health population. But because of my criminal record and not having it expunged, I wasn't able to do that.
I am an attorney and also a teacher at San Jose State University. And I run the San Jose State Record Clearance Project. It was a class project that we started in the spring of 2008. We have the students work with clients whom they meet early in the semester to develop the petition, gather information to support the petition, and that the interests of justice support dismissing the conviction from their record.
We're not just in class learning it from a book, we're actually doing it.
It's a real courtroom, and it's a real judge, and it's real DAs, and it's all, you know, actually happening before you, and it's very real for the students that have worked with those people for the semester, and it's extremely real for the clients who, you know, are standing up there about to have their futures changed or not.
It just was eye-opening to an extent to see the good that you can do when helping someone out with this type of paperwork and this type of process.
One particular lady actually brought her daughter there and broke down crying because she was just so excited to have her record expunged.
Numbers of our former clients have said to us, there's a job waiting for me if I can get this off my record, and are now working in those jobs. There is a clear public benefit, a clear public safety benefit. If you have somebody who can't get a job, especially somebody who's just recently come out of jail, they can't get a job, what are they going to do? What are they likely to do? If you are able to give them a job and something that will get them reintegrated into the community, the recidivism rate goes way down.
Without a program like that, and not having the financial means myself, it's closing the door to so much more potential opportunities in the community. The day I walked out of court and the day that everything was done, all of the efforts that Peggy and the students there had you know, done for me, I felt like a different person. It's basically saying I'm no longer that individual. You know, this is who I am. I'm a law-abiding citizen. I'm somebody that's productive in our community. You know, I'm no longer who that was 10, 5, 20 years ago. That's not, you know, that's not a representation of who I am today.
If we had staffing, we would be able to run the program basically all the time. We would be able to pick up the phone or receive a phone call, and instead of telling somebody that they had to wait till the next semester started, we would be able to say, look, we've got some students who can interview you right now.
While I can see that it's very labor intensive and time intensive, and those sorts of things make it difficult, it's definitely worth it. It's definitely worth it in the end, and the expressions on the clients' faces and the pride that the students feel, and when the clients have their families there, it really is a powerful thing to witness.
This is Kelsey Williams reporting for the Peninsula Press and the Stanford Graduate Program.